Today is Sunday the 10th of May 2020. This is a video for Health One users on the latest version of Health One 8.7.2.2662. This is a mini release that will be sent out to all users over the next few days, and there are a few changes in it over the main release, which was 2652, which was distributed 2 weeks ago. And this video concerns configuring emails and how we might make video consultations slightly easier. As I said, it will be available to all users over the next few days. Here I have a patient file open. I'm just going to check first of all my version of Health One by clicking Help About, and I can see it's 8.7.2.2662. I'm now going to do a new consultation on this patient, and I'm going to hit the letter V, vaccine, and V again to get video. I'll show you later on in this video how I got video consultation there. It may not be visible in some of your Health Ones. So I click OK here, and I immediately get an item in Health One, happens automatically, and I have to double click to start the video consultation. And all this is a link to a website, and you decide your own website. In my case, for the purposes of this demo, it's doxy.me, and I get straight onto my doxy.me, and I'm looking at my waiting room. All this is, as I said, is a link, so you still have to put your data into Health One. So how to configure this? This is done in Tools, Options, Internet. And there are several things in here that I'm going to show you, both about the video consultation and about configuring your emails. So as regards the video consultation, all I did was put my website address or my URL into this box. Once you do that, then when you do a video consultation, you'll automatically get this item in Health One, and you double click on it and it'll go to that URL. When you are doing a new consultation, you have a name of the consultation here, and you choose the name from down here. If video consultation is not part of your list here, then you can configure that using the configuration tool, which is this red icon up here in the top. So if you click on that, you'll open the configuration tool. To do that, you click on File, Open, Transaction Name. So this is adding new transaction names to your lists of transactions. And here we have lots of them here. I'm going to add a video consultation, and as you can see, there's nothing there until I click Show All Items up here. Then I have video consultation, and I just drag it over here to put it in. In this case, video consultation already exists. So for the purposes of the demo, I'm just going to use video recording to put a second one in, and it goes in there. You can move these up and down the list by just dragging them up and down like that. My video recording is there, or I can drag it into the recycle bin and drop it. So I have video here underneath vaccine. So if I hit the letter V, I get vaccine first and video consultation second. So you can put it wherever you like in there, and you get the right, you get what you want. So I'm just going to save my changes there, and that's that bit done. To recap on that, if you want to do a video consultation, that is a new transaction with the transaction name equals video consultation, you can configure it in Tools, Options, Internet by adding a URL or a website address here of your choice for your preferred video conferencing program. In this version, we've also made some small changes to configuring your email. First of all, I'll look at the Configure Health Mail, where we've made no changes actually, but just to confirm that here you have your own personal email, Health Mail email address, and your practice Health Mail email address. They're very easy to configure. But remember that the practice email will be used if there is no private email defined for the user. So that if you have an email address in here, this will be used as the sender for all of your Health Mail emails. So when you come to configure your direct email, we have made some small changes here. We allow you to insert here your practice email and your user email. So this is our practice email and our user email. So in fact, my user email is incorrect, so I can copy that email over to my practice email. Do you want to copy the settings from the user to the practice? I do. So this is now my practice email settings. If I want to change my user email settings, I can just edit this, or I can click this S button here and I'll reset it to nothing. So I'll have no user email. So all my emails now sent from the practice will use this email as the sender. So I click OK to confirm all of those, and the changes are saved. Carry this email one step forward. If I wish to say send some lab results, and I select them by holding the control key down while I click on them if they're not next to each other. So I can send these 3 lab results to the patient or to somewhere else by clicking on File and Export, Send HCR by email or by health mail. Let's send them by directly from Health One to the patient, for example. I can click on that. I want to export the list of transactions and the selected transactions as a PDF, and I click OK, and I will be able to send this file to the patient or to somewhere else. So it's all ready for me in my email. So in fact, I'm going to send it, let's say, to myself. And I can't send it to a health mail email, seeing as I'm not using a health mail email to send it. So I'll send it to this person here. And if I want to, I can anonymize the sender by ticking this box. This means that the receiver will get an email sender as no reply at IOL.ie or one of these. If I send that, then those 3 transactions are sent in a PDF file. That's the PDF file there. It's as simple as that. So to summarize, this is the latest version of Health One, 8.7.2.2662, and I've demonstrated how to configure your emails and how to set up a video consultation. This is a mini release that will be sent out in the coming days to all users. That's the end of this recording. Thank you.